So, you want to make an investment and you're not quite sure what to invest in or what your first investment should be? Well, look no further. In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what your first investment should be. And again, before we start, I just want to say this isn't financial advice, and your first investment actually has not so much to do with your finances. So, without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So, your first investment, if you're asking someone like me or whoever that is what you should invest in, the answer is so easy. The first investment is actually in yourself, and you might be kind of confused right now looking at yourself and thinking, what is this crazy guy talking about? What do you mean invest in yourself? Well, let me explain to you what I mean by invest in yourself. So, what are the typical investment types or investment strategies or whatever that is? Well, off the top of my head, I can think of stocks, I can think of bonds, real estate, gold, silver, commodities, anything like that. Maybe forex trading, cryptocurrency. Let's see. What else can I think of? Oil, I guess maybe. So yeah, that's the typical investment, like I guess types of investments that you can make, right? Well, what you probably have been doing and what you are doing right now is investing in yourself. And what exactly do I mean by this? Investing in yourself is actually when you invest in yourself. So whether that be learning, whether that be reading, whether that be listening to a podcast, reading a book, whatever that may be, investing in yourself is when you put in work to kind of make yourself better as a better person, whether that be financially, whether that be through knowledge, whatever that may be, even if it's health, if it's physical health, whatever that is, investing in yourself is essential because something that I preach on my Instagram page so often is learn before you earn. And I like to say, I like to learn and then remove the L and earn, because when you spell out learn, it spells Learn, but then when you remove the L and then you get to earn. So once you're done learning, that's when you get to earn. So this is something that I like to do and something that I preach on my Instagram page a lot, and I've been kind of introducing it to my YouTube channel for all of the lovely viewers that I have. But yeah, learn before you earn. So how exactly can you invest in yourself and learn before you earn? Well, first of all, the biggest investment is reading, in my opinion. Reading books has honestly given me so much knowledge, whether that's through investing, whether that's through mindset, whether that's real estate, whatever that is. Investing in yourself will always have a huge ROI. The ROI of invest, and ROI, if you don't know, means return on investment. The ROI is like literally infinite. Like you can literally use that knowledge and do so much things with it. For me, my favorite book, in case you guys want to know, is Rich Dad Poor Dad. I recommend it to all my mentees that are under my mentorship program, sorry. Again, if you don't know what that is, check the link in the description. But in my mentorship program, I tell everyone, read Rich Dad Poor Dad. That book will literally change your life. I have read it and I do plan on reading it again. Maybe this year or next year. I don't know. I kind of want to get in some new books. But I strongly recommend Rich Dad Poor Dad. And if, let's just say, for example, we're going to do a few scenarios over here. Let's just say you want to learn about stock market investing, right? Well, there are a lot of YouTube channels out there that literally talk about stock market investing. So you can even go on my channel. I think I have maybe 2 or 3 stock market videos. You can literally watch those for completely free. And that is a form of investing in yourself. That is the most important investment you can make, learning. So you can literally watch my YouTube videos for free, learn whatever you have, ask questions, and use that knowledge to then do greater things with it. So if you don't like YouTube videos, that's perfectly fine. There's a book out there called The Intelligent Investor, which is actually recommended by Warren Buffett, who, if you don't know, is a stock market god. If you don't know who he is, Google him. You're going to learn so much. But he actually recommends the book, The Intelligent Investor. What did I do? I said, you know what? I'm going to invest in myself. The book was like $40 or something. Picked it up and wow, that book has so much value. Maybe I'll even do a book review on it if you guys want. If that's something you want, leave a comment down below. But that book has honestly taught me so much. And again, that is a form of investing in yourself. Investing in your knowledge, that is investing. That's a form of investing. And again, I think that this is the most important form of investing, because if you're not learning and if you're not like knowing what you're doing, then you're probably going to fail. And again, it is good to fail and learn from your mistakes. But think about it this way. If you're going into war, do you want to go in blindfolded or do you want to go without experience? I would want to go in without experience than blindfolded. So again, that's exactly how you can look at it. Another thing is online courses, guys. I'm becoming a realtor, and a way I invested in myself is actually through online courses and again, online YouTube videos. These courses and YouTube videos have taught me so much that I'm actually applying in real life and I'm already seeing results and success with. I don't even have my real estate license yet, and I actually already have potential clients without my license. So again, I'm gonna say that one more time. I'm getting my real estate license, but I actually have potential clients without my license. And this is from stuff that I've learned, and this is from investing in myself. So guys, I'm telling you, invest in yourself. Okay, but hold on. Let's just say you hate reading books, right? And let's just say you don't like watching videos because you don't have time and you're spending most of your time commuting on either the bus or you're driving. Well, okay, that's cool. Everyone has unique circumstances. Podcasts. You can literally use podcasts and learn whatever you want. For real estate, I recommend the Bigger Pockets podcast, which talks about real estate investing. It's an amazing podcast, and I'm going to be 100% honest. I don't listen to podcasts as much because I prefer reading physical books, and I prefer actually going like watching YouTube videos or online courses. I like video format and I like to read physical books. So for me, I don't listen to podcasts, but I have listened to the Bigger Pockets podcast, and I know Gary Vee has a podcast. That's probably good, but I think that's stuff from his YouTube video that he repurposes. So I would check that out. I know like there are a bunch of podcasts out there. You can easily find some on investing or whatever that may be. So definitely go and check that out. So let's say you don't like podcasts, you don't like videos, and you don't like reading physical books. Well, maybe you can look at ebooks. And if you don't already know, I actually released my own ebook called Investing 101, where I go into the basics of investing, which I strongly recommend everyone go check out. Again, like always, link in the description. Go check it out and let me know how it is. And I did spend a lot of time on it, and I did learn a lot from writing an ebook, and people that have actually read the ebook have said that they learned a lot. So again, those people that read my ebook, what are they doing? Investing in themselves. So guys, investing in yourself. This is one of the biggest investments you can make, one of the most important investments you will ever make in your life. I strongly recommend everyone, please go and learn as much as you can. Invest in yourself. Books, podcasts, online courses, YouTube videos, whatever that is. Whatever you need to do, whatever it takes for you to learn something and invest in yourself, go ahead and do it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, smash that thumbs up, subscribe down below to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so you actually never miss out on a video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and before I let you go, I just want to remind you that I'm actually in Forex and I trade Forex, but I don't make my own analysis because I don't have the time, and you may be in that similar situation. My situation is I really don't have time to be analyzing the charts every single day. I'd rather just have someone else do the hard work and I just take in the profits, which is leveraging someone else's knowledge. And this is something that I've been doing, and this is something I'm going to be sharing with you guys as well. So if you actually go on my Instagram, which is in the description, the link's in the description, you can go on my Instagram and click on my link tree where you'll see a free Forex signal group where we send out signals and you guys copy them and make money. If you're not too sure about what Forex is, you can just send me a message on Instagram and I'm more than happy to help you guys and put you guys on the right path. But there is a free Forex group chat where people make money and it's completely free to join. You can just, again, check my link tree, and there is a paid chat as well. So if you are interested in that, there is a paid chat, and the price will probably be somewhere in the chat, or you can message me on Instagram. But yeah, I just wanted to throw this last little hidden gem for you since you stuck along for the whole video. I hope you enjoyed the video, but yeah, until next time, thank you so much for watching.